Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create cinematic intro in Canva. Create a new design, select video, and then name your work. I will name mine tutorial. Now the first video that we will need, we will find the video from element section. Go to search bar and type cinematic ad look. Go to videos, and this is the video. Set as background, and then resize this. The timing should be 4.9. Add another page. Go back to elements and type abstract cinematic thunder. Go to videos, and this is the video, 10 seconds video we will need for our tutorial. Set as background. The timing of this video will be 1.5 seconds, but we will not type 1.5 seconds here. We will just adjust this video to find the right position so that we will add it to our video. And it must be 1.5 seconds right there. Yes. And then duplicate the page. You have several options to choose how to duplicate. You can click these three dots and duplicate the page, or you can right click and same duplicate the page, or you can Control D. Right there you go, Control D, and you will just duplicate the page. That's enough. Okay, now for page 1, page 2, 3 and 4, it's 1.5 seconds. Page 5 and 6, it's different timing. For page 5, it's 2.0 seconds. And then page 6, 3.0 seconds. Right. Now add another 2 pages. It's 7 and 8. And then we will need one more video. Go back to element section and type cinematic background. Go to videos, and this is the video that we will need. 8 seconds video. This is a pro video. Select the video and then set as background. Apply the same video to the other page, page 8. Set as background. Now the timing of the page 7 is 0.2 milliseconds. And the timing of page 8 is 5 seconds. Right there. Okay, next thing that we will need is the page transition. So how to add page transition? You see this add icon between the pages. You will click this add icon and you will see 2 options. You will have add page and page transition. So let's click this one and see. Now when you put your mouse on top of the add icon, you will see add page, and when you slide your mouse down, you will see add transition. Click that one right there. Now the first transition that we will need is cycle wipe in. We will apply this to all the pages up until page 6. Cycle wipe. You can add one by one, or you can apply between all pages. So let's apply between all pages. Now for these two pages, we will need different transition. So how to change the transition in between these two pages? Just click this transition, and it will give you two options, and you will see change transition, and then click change transition, and here I will choose dissolve, same as the other one, dissolve, right there. Cool. Now the next thing that we will need is the sound effect, the two sound effect that we will need for the video. It's not in Canva, so we will download it from YouTube, and then we will upload it to Canva. So let's go to YouTube. Now the first sound that we will need is this one, cinematic intro sound effect, no copyright. When you type this, there are a lot of sound effects that will appear, but the one that I choose for my previous video that I posted on Facebook is this one. So you download it and then upload it to Canva, and then the next sound effect is this one, typewriter sound effect, no copyright. So the sound that I choose is this one. Download your sound and upload it to Canva. Once you already upload your sound in Canva, go to audio, and then choose the sound effect that you want to add to your video. So notice this sound is too long. It's probably like 20 or maybe more than 30 seconds. So we will adjust this sound, and the other one is also long, and we will also adjust this. Now to adjust the sound, you will just right click on the sound and go to adjust. From there you will see, when after you click adjust, you will see this arrow changes. You will see there's one arrow going forward and there's one going backward. So that's the sign where you can drag backwards and forward just to find the right position for your video to be exactly same as your sound. So the big thing here is we want to find the right sound that will match with our video and the transition. Let me adjust the volume. So the volume also, you have one ear, you can drag down and up, or you can also click on the song or the sound effect, and then you have volume here, or you have the other option, which is these three dots. Just click these three dots and then the window will pop up and you have also volume there. So they are all same. Now I want the volume to be down like probably 30 or 20, yeah, somewhere there, so that it will not noisy in my ears. 25 maybe, right there. So let's check the sound and choose which part that we want for our video. I like this part. Now you see this part, this is the part where I like it, but there is still long, like there is still sound this, so I still need to adjust this one. Somewhere there. Let's check again. Right, I think we got it. Now the next thing that we will need is the text that we will add in our video. So go to text, and here I will add 2022. right there. And the font that I am using is sticky number. Just type sticky numbers here. But this font is not in Canva. I download this font and upload it to Canva, so I will create another tutorial on how to download fonts and upload it to Canva. If you are interested, leave your comment below. Right there, I will copy this same font and place it on my another page, that page, and here 2022 action movie. I think I will reduce the size. Always check the position. Right there. I think the font size here is too much. Just reduce it a little bit. Apply this same font to the other page. Copy and paste. Ctrl V. 2022 action movie. And here paste. Coming, and then paste another one here. Soon. Always check the position. Right there. Now this one, leave it blank. This page number 7, leave it blank, and then we will need some more text here. So go back to the text section and now type anything you want. For me, I will type change the color to red. Right there. And we will also use the other font. The font that I am using here is a different font. I downloaded and uploaded to Canva. You see these fonts, all these fonts I actually downloaded from outside and uploaded to Canva. So the font that I am using here is Western Bang Bang Regular. You will find this font on thefont.com. Adjust the space. Right there. The position. Right. Okay. Try again. Wait, it's not yet something that we want, so we will adjust the timing. Somewhere here. Great, we got it. Now the last thing that we want is the typewriter sound effect. So we will add the typewriter sound effect here underneath this page. Notice if this line stays here, your sound effect that you will add will be start from here. So I want my sound effect to be start exactly at which page I want it. So I will position my this line here and then click the sound. It is right there, and then adjust the sound. Okay, let's try again. Great. Another thing that we want is the animation of this letter. Go to animation, animate, and then choose typewriter. Right there. Let's try to right there. Adjust the sound. Great. Play again. Okay. And then for this one coming soon, we will animate this one also. Go back to animate and then page animation and look for block. This one. Great. So let's try to play this whole thing again and see. Right there, guys. So now we come up with the exactly same video that I posted on Facebook. So to download your video, go to share, upper right, and go down, download. Okay, from here you will see MP4 video suggested. From here you have options. If you choose JPEG, PNG, or any other file of this will be downloaded different format. So you would like to download it as video, so go for MP4 video and then press download. Now if you want to download each pages, you just have to click one of these pages, like you will uncheck all and select only one or two or which page that you want to choose. Then you can download individual page. Otherwise you can download all as one time. Just download everything and it will be downloaded straight to your desktop. Just click download and download your file. Okay, so let's play the final output of the video that we created from Canva and see how it play. So guys, that's it, we got it. So guys, there you have it. If you have any questions or if you still don't understand the process how to create cinematic intro, please leave your questions, or if you have anything to say, please leave it in the comment section below and I will try to answer all your questions. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next one.